Hey guys, today is December 29, 2022. Um Friday. It's like about, I don't know if it's 12 something AM, but anyway, I found this I don't know if in thrift store or auction, because I got this six cellophane it's in the cellophane, but there's like Harley David, like, no, not Harley, but it's a Davidson last name and stuff. uh I got these two photos, but um I think there's some Davidson last name in the other photo, but this one is kinda, I don't know if it's a, but I think they're the same people right here and that one. And so I just wondering if that's Harley Davidson, founder or something. So that's the face. This is like this one is kind of old photo, and that's the, and this one, and that's the back. And so I just separate them in the cellophane, cause, but they're kind of similar looks as the Harley Davidson or something. So I don't know if this is the photo when they're young. And when you look at the Harley and Davidson photograph, they kind of have the same height. The other one is shorter and stuff. So I wonder if there's, you know, I don't know, but so this one is see that it's like I think it's kind of bright in here, so I don't know. So this is the, I don't know if that's the, that's the three brother or something. I don't know if that's I don't know if that's a Harley and then the three brother Davidson. But I saw there's a background and a little kid and stuff. But this is the other photo. But so they're like a smoke. They have like a cigarette in the hand. But anyway, this one is kind of like a, you know, it's kind of like they always have like four of them in the photo. But I wonder if that's them when they're young. But the background is kind of similar of that shade in the, so who knows? That's, because there's a light in here in the top too. So, okay, I'm just gonna put the face a little close up. So, if somebody can, you know, if that's them when they're younger, thanks. So, what age is this photo? I think it's antique. And the house is gonna have like so, okay. Thanks for watching.